Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, I will share some of the best remedies using ginger that you can incorporate into your daily life. 1. Ginger tea for cold and flu relief. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of honey optional, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice optional. How to use: 1. Peel and slice the ginger. 2. Boil the water and add the ginger slices. 3. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. 4. Strain the tea into a cup. 5. Add honey and lemon juice if desired. 6. Drink warm, preferably in the morning or evening. 2. Ginger and honey mixture for sore throat. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of honey. How to use: 1. Grate the ginger and squeeze out the juice. 2. Mix the ginger juice with honey. 3. Take 1 teaspoon of the mixture 2 or 3 times a day. 3. Ginger compress for muscle pain. Ingredients: 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, 4 cups of water, clean cloth or towel. How to use: 1. Grate the ginger and add it to boiling water. 2. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. 3. Soak the cloth in the ginger water and wring out the excess. 4. Apply the warm compress to the sore area for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Ginger bath for stress relief. Ingredients: cup of grated ginger, warm bath water. How to use: 1. Add the grated ginger to the warm bath water. 2. Soak in the bath for 20 to 30 minutes. 5. Ginger and lemon for digestive health. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, 1 lemon, 1 cup of warm water. How to use: 1. Grate the ginger and squeeze the juice from the lemon. 2. Mix the ginger and lemon juice with warm water. 6. Ginger oil for headaches. Ingredients: 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, cup of olive oil. How to use: 1. Grate the ginger and mix it with olive oil. 2. Heat the mixture on low for 10 minutes. 3. Strain the oil and let it cool. 4. Massage a small amount onto your temples and forehead. 7. Ginger and garlic soup for immune boosting. Ingredients: 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, 4 garlic cloves, 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon olive oil. How to use: 1. Saute the onion, ginger, and garlic in olive oil until fragrant. 2. Add the vegetable broth and bring to a boil. 3. Simmer for 15 minutes. 4. Strain and drink warm. 8. Ginger and cinnamon tea for menstrual pain. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon honey optional. How to use: 1. Boil water and add ginger and cinnamon. 2. Simmer for 10 minutes. 3. Strain and add honey if desired. 4. Drink 1 to 2 times a day. 9. Ginger immune boosting drink. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon honey, a pinch of black pepper optional. To enhance turmeric absorption, 1 cup of warm water. How to prepare: 1. Peel and grate the ginger to extract the juice. Alternatively, you can finely chop the ginger. 2. Squeeze the juice from the lemon. 3. In a cup, combine the ginger juice or chopped ginger, lemon juice, turmeric powder, honey, and black pepper if using. 4. Add warm water to the mixture and stir well until all ingredients are thoroughly mixed. How to use: drink this mixture once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach for optimal absorption and benefits. This immune-boosting drink combines the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of ginger and turmeric, the vitamin C from lemon, and the antibacterial properties of honey. The addition of black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, making the drink more effective. The warm water helps to soothe the throat and improve digestion. 10. Ginger weight loss drink. Ingredients: 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon honey optional, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of warm water. How to prepare: 1. Peel and grate the ginger to extract the juice. Alternatively, you can finely chop the ginger. 2. Squeeze the juice from the lemon. 3. In a cup, combine the ginger juice or chopped ginger, lemon juice, honey if using, and apple cider vinegar. 4. Add warm water to the mixture and stir well until all ingredients are thoroughly mixed. How to use: drink this mixture once daily, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach for optimal results. This weight loss drink leverages the metabolism boosting properties of ginger and apple cider vinegar, the detoxifying effects of lemon, and the potential appetite-suppressing qualities of honey. Drinking this mixture daily can help enhance digestion, reduce bloating, and support weight loss efforts as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. 11. Ginger cold and flu remedy drink ingredients. 1 can of Coca-Cola, 1 inch piece of fresh ginger, 1/2 cup of water. Instructions. 1. Peel the ginger and cut it into very small pieces. 2. In a saucepan, combine the Coca-Cola, ginger pieces, and water. 3. Bring the mixture to a boil and let it simmer until the liquid reduces to 1 cup. 4. Turn off the heat and strain the mixture. 5. Drink the warm liquid before bedtime. 6. After drinking, cover your face for 15 minutes to help alleviate cold and flu symptoms. This remedy combines the soothing effects of warm ginger and Coca-Cola to help relieve cold and flu symptoms. 12. Saffron and ginger milk for cough, chest pain, and asthma. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, 1/2 teaspoon of saffron, 2 cups of milk. Instructions. 1. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of milk to a boil. 2. Add the saffron and continue boiling until the milk reduces to 1.5 cups. 3. Stir in 2 teaspoons of ginger powder and let it boil for another 3 minutes. 4. Drink this warm saffron milk tea to help relieve cough, chest pain, and asthma symptoms. My dear viewers, I hope these remedies are helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and remedies. Thank you for watching. Allah bless you all. Allah Hafiz. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.